Hello, good people. This is Sherry. I'm just playing around with my laser and my mudcloth design earrings. I haven't made these in a long time, so I decided to cut some and just assemble them. So that's what's happening here. I love mudcloth designs and I love playing around with the designs. So these are some designs that I made, that I created. I love these so much, and I'm considering offering them as blanks. So if you would be interested in a set of these, let me know and I can put them in the shop. My laser didn't cut all the way through, so I'm having to poke these out. I stained my wood with this light colored brown stain, and I forgot the name of it. And one of the pairs I have a dark stain on. I'm going to add some cowrie shells to these to add another design element. I won't narrate the process. I do have another video where I show how to add cowrie shells to a design. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments and I'll drop the video there. Here we are. I added some gold paint to the top of these just to add a different design element. I really like these. This is my favorite pair. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherikao Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. The Tuesday live subscriber chat is coming back, so stay tuned. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.